Alright guys, quick video. A lot of you Sequoia owners have the old man EMU shocks. And if you use your truck off-road, you might have this problem where the lower bushings are just clapped out. I've got this problem on both my bushings, and today we're going to take care of it. You can buy these from First Gen Off-Road, and I think you can find them on Amazon and eBay. But if you call ARB or email them, you might have some luck like I did. They sent them to me for free. I emailed them a picture of my sales receipt, a picture of the problem, and that was about it. Here's my problem. Here's the proof that I paid for these just over a year ago, and what can you do to help me? And this is what they did. They 2-day FedExed some new lower bushings. Here's the part number. So let's take care of this today. Should be pretty simple. I did buy a Harbor Freight 20-ton press for when I was attempting to do my gears, so I still have that at my disposal. Should make quick work of this job. If you guys are working on your truck a lot, get a press. Better yet, get a buddy who has a press. So I got it out, and it doesn't look much better up close. In fact, you can see straight through it. Yeah, let's get that thing out of there. You gotta find something that fits on this outer diameter without infringing on this next ring, which is part of that bushing. We're gonna use this, and if you look in there, you can still see that whole ring. Perfect fit. It might just press the rubber out and leave the sleeve in there, but that's okay because that'll force me to find another way to get it out. Gotta get everything centered. Yes, this looks good. Old compared to new. I had the hardest time finding this part number, and lo and behold, it's been right here the whole time. Barely see it. Okay, now this is stuck to the socket. We're gonna want this to help push the new bushings on, because it's a perfect size. So I don't want to get this off. Plus we gotta get it off anyway, so. At the end, all we want is this sleeve. It's okay if there's some rubber in there though. We just can't have this because it protrudes. We need a nice flat line right there. Okie dokie. So let's get the socket out of this bushing. Feels smooth. I cleaned it out. I'm gonna press the new one in. And guys, I decided to clean this old bushing housing up off camera so I could keep it for future use. I just torched it and then burnt all the rubber out of it. Crush sleeve. New bushing. Once you've got it set in there, you don't even have to support the end anymore, okay? This looks like it could go to the left just a tiny bit. Perfect. I'm gonna flush. That looks good to me. I'm gonna check that. Much better. I think that came out perfect. That's how you put on the new lower shock bushing on the Nitrocharger strut by Old Man EMU. Alright guys, so go ahead and put your shock back in, but do not torque it to spec until your vehicle is sitting on the ground. Go ahead and put your bolt in, but leave it loose. Leave it loose until your vehicle is on all 4 tires, sitting at ride height. Thanks for watching. It's been Finn with Treehouse Overland, and I'm signing out.